Your favorite budget nail design kits could be hiding a dangerous secret that threatens your health. That colorful kit you picked up, filled with glitter and vibrant colors, might look fun, but beneath the surface lurks a concerning truth: toxic chemicals. Many don't realize that these affordable options can contain harmful substances like formaldehyde, toluene, and dibutyl phthalate. These aren't just complicated names, they pose serious health risks, turning your cozy spa night into a potential hazard. Picture this: you're excitedly creating your masterpiece at home, but what if those chemicals seep into your skin? You could be inviting danger right to your fingertips. It might seem harmless, but the effects can sneak up on you when you least expect it. Many overlook the connection between that delightful manicure and the headaches, skin irritations, or even long-term health issues that follow. This is a hidden epidemic lurking in the very kits designed for fun. Consider a friend who was thrilled with her at-home manicure, only to find her nails brittle and her skin irritated weeks later. That's not just bad luck, it's a warning sign, and there are countless others like her. Still skeptical? Think about the fumes you inhaled while applying those layers of polish. Those pretty colors might be releasing toxins into your space, affecting not just you but everyone around you. The truth is, not all nail kits are created equal. There are safer, non-toxic alternatives available, but it's up to you to read labels and understand what you're bringing into your home. As you plan your next manicure, remember your health matters. Every decision counts. A beautiful manicure shall come at the cost of your well-being. The right choices can lead to stunning results without hidden dangers. So before you reach for that flashy kit, take a moment to think about the risks. Have you ever taken a closer look at your budget nail design kit and wondered what's really inside? You might be surprised to learn that those vibrant colors and shiny finishes could hide serious dangers. Many people dive into using these affordable kits without a second thought, assuming that if it's on the shelf, it's safe. However, there's a darker side to the beauty industry that often goes unnoticed, with some of these chemicals linked to unexpected health issues. Imagine this: you're applying that gorgeous gel polish only to find out it contains harmful substances that can actually enter your body. It's easy to overlook, right? And what about those cute nail stickers you love? They be made from materials that disrupt your hormones. It's unsettling to realize how often we expose ourselves to these risks with every nail art session. Many popular brands prioritize profit over safety, leaving consumers in the dark about potential dangers. You might feel invincible with your freshly painted nails, but what's happening to your health beneath the surface? Think back to your last salon visit or DIY nail session. Did you ever consider what those fumes might be doing to you? That pleasant scent of polish remover could be hiding something harmful. And those sparkly nail glitters, they might be tiny particles that pose a risk. It's concerning how little regulation there is in nail products, making it feel like a gamble with your health on the line. So what can you do? Is there a way to enjoy your nail art without compromising your well-being? Here's the good news: you don't have to give up your passion for nails. Knowledge is your best friend. Start by reading labels and seeking out brands that prioritize safety. Look for eco-friendly options that are just as vibrant but free from toxic ingredients. As you move forward, think about the choices you're making. Your nails are a form of self-expression, but they shan't come at the expense of your health. So the next time you reach for that budget kit, take a moment to pause and ask yourself what's really in there. Your body will thank you for it. Did you know that the nail design kit you picked up for a fun night could actually pose some risks? Many people view nail art as a harmless hobby, but there's a concerning truth hiding behind those colorful bottles. You might be surprised to learn that many budget kits are loaded with toxic chemicals that can harm not only your nails, but also your health in unexpected ways. Imagine this: you sit down, excited to try a new design, and as you open the kit, a strong smell hits you. That's not just a scent, it's a warning sign. Many of these kits contain harmful ingredients like formaldehyde and dimethyl phthalate. You might think it's just a little paint, but these chemicals can disrupt your hormones and impact your reproductive system. Picture yourself happily applying that glossy top coat, completely unaware that you're exposing your skin to these harmful substances. And what about the drying process? Those UV lamps might seem harmless, but they can emit rays that could damage your skin over time. Have you ever experienced a burning sensation after a nail session or noticed your skin peeling or breaking out? It's not just bad luck, it could be your nails reacting to those toxic ingredients. Now, consider the long-term effects. What are you really putting into your body for the sake of a cute manicure? It's easy to overlook these concerns when you're caught up in the excitement. But what if the next trend you follow comes with irreversible consequences? So what can you do? Start by checking the labels. If you see anything you can't pronounce, put it back. Choose brands that prioritize safety over price. Here's the good news: you don't have to give up your passion. There are safe, high-quality alternatives available. You just need to know where to find them. As